Now there's one last thing we need to know about cell references, and that's how to use them across multiple worksheets. Sometimes when writing a formula, we want to reference a cell that's not on the same worksheet. Here we have an Excel workbook containing 2 worksheets with a customer's order receipts. Let's say we want to find out the total amount that this customer has spent on this order and their previous order. In cell E16, we need to write a formula telling Excel to add the value in cell E15 on this worksheet with the value in cell E15 on the Order 1 worksheet. When a cell on another sheet is referenced in a formula, the cell syntax looks like this. The worksheet name is given in inverted commas, followed by an exclamation mark, and then the cell reference. This tells Excel to go to the sheet indicated first, and then pull the value from the specified cell. Now, if the worksheet name has no spaces in it, you can leave out the inverted commas. With this in mind, let's enter a formula in cell E16. Let's add cell E15 on this sheet with cell E15 on the Order 1 sheet. We need to use inverted commas because the worksheet name has a space in it. Let's now press enter and see if it worked. That's correct because Nabil spent $127 on this order and $141 on his previous order. Now, in case you forget the formula syntax for referencing cells across multiple worksheets, you can use the point and click method when writing a formula. Let's see how this works. In cell E16, type an equal sign and then click cell E15. Now we want to add cell E15 from the Order 1 worksheet, so type in a plus sign and then click on the Order 1 worksheet tab and then click on cell E15. Now press enter and Excel will take you back to the Order 2 worksheet and display the result. The beauty of using cell references across multiple sheets is that if you change the value of a cell on the Order 1 sheet, the total for both orders will auto-update. Let's try this out by changing the price of fried rice on the Order 1 sheet. This will affect the total spent on fried rice, as well as the Order 1 total, which now becomes about $162. Let's now check the next sheet, and sure enough, cell E16, which is the total amount spent on both orders, has also changed accordingly. Now, before we move to hyperlinks, let's test our knowledge of cell reference syntax. Take a look at these 4 cell references. What type of cell reference do each represent? Cell references without dollar signs are relative references. The dollar signs help us to spot mixed or absolute cell references. Relative references change while absolute references remain constant, and mixed references will change relative to either the row or column, not both.